Now, Jamaica's female program could get a huge boost in the short term. As president of the Jamaica Football Federation, Michael Ricketts says a potential memorandum of understanding with UEFA could see the women's game improving on the island. Interim head coach of the Reggae Girls team, Hubert Busby Jr., says it would be hugely disappointing if the team emulates the men's team by taking 20-plus years to return to the World Cup stage following their historic appearance in France last year. As those sentiments circulated, President of the Jamaica Football Federation, Michael Ricketts, confirmed that a significant boost could come for the female program in the form of a likely collaboration with football's most powerful confederation, UEFA.
We are working with UEFA to put a program in place, a kind of a legacy program, and we are in an advanced stage of discussion, and they seem to be very excited at the prospect and certainly want to give some support in this regard. So separate and apart from COVID, UEFA and the JFF seem to be finalizing some kind of a bilateral program where they will give some support to our women's program.
Ricketts, who was speaking on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill earlier this week, did not specify the details surrounding the possible MOU, but explained the process, which he thought was only an audacious dream.
Because I personally approached them while I was at the World Cup, and they were very excited about partnering with Jamaica. The exchanges went extremely dormant some months ago, but then I really thought that nothing would have happened. But we were re-engaged and restarted the discussions, and now it seems extremely favorable.
The local governing body has been promised US $1.5 million from FIFA as part of the COVID relief fund, but $500,000 must be dedicated to the women's program, and interim coach Hubert Busby Jr. wants a proper structure for the spending of the money.
So we've actually spent the last 3 months putting together a grassroots program that we think would be, implemented in the next year that allow for our 15 to 20s to be training on a regular basis during those qualifying years. And again, that doesn't take away from the idea that our senior women's team has World Cup qualifiers coming up in a year and a half's time.
It's unclear when the Reggae Girls will be able to compete again due to the COVID-19 pandemic and a revised schedule to be drafted by FIFA. From a paper.